students, all of you know the types of chemical reactions. These chemical reactions are already studied by you. Today, in this section, we will try to discuss about factors affecting rate of chemical reactions. Now, rate of chemical reaction is different for different reactions. Today, consider these factors which are responsible for affecting rate of chemical reaction. In their factors, first factor is nature of reactants. Second factor is size of particles of reactants. Third, concentration of reactant. Fourth one, temperature of reaction. And fifth one, catalyst. Means these are 5 factors which are responsible for affection of rate of chemical reaction. Now consider these factors briefly, one by one. Consider first factor, nature of reactants. In this first test tube, there is some quantity of aluminium, whereas in this second test tube, there is some quantity of zinc. Now, when aluminium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, observe rate of reaction, and also when zinc reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, observe rate of reaction. It is clear that when reaction between aluminium and dilute hydrochloric acid takes place, at that time this reaction takes place rapidly, whereas reaction between zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid takes place slowly. What is the reason behind this? Aluminium and zinc both are metals, but reactivity of these two is different. Aluminium is more reactive than zinc. Hence, rate of chemical reaction between aluminium and dilute hydrochloric acid is rapid one, and rate of chemical reaction between zinc and dilute hydrochloric acid is slow. Later on, next factor is size of particles. Size of particle of reactors also responsible for rate of chemical reaction. Here, consider these some pieces of Shahabad tile. These are pieces of Shahabad tiles which are present in this test tube. Later on, consider, take some quantity of powder of Shahabad tile in test tube. It means that in these test tubes, same quantity of particles, means pieces of Shahabad tiles, whereas in second test tube there is powder of calcium carbonate. When same quantity of dilute hydrochloric acid is comes in contact with these two one. What happens here? Rate of chemical reaction with powder of calcium carbonate means Shahabadyl is rapid, whereas rate of chemical reaction between pieces of Shahabadyl and dilute hydrochloric acid is slow. What is reason behind this? If size of particles of reactants is increases, rate of chemical reaction decreases. Whereas when size of particles of reactants is decreases, rate of chemical reaction is increases. Means rate of chemical reaction also depends upon size of particles of reactants. Third factor is concentration of reactants. Concentration of reactants is also very important factor which is responsible for rate of chemical reaction. Calcium carbonate when reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid, at that time rate of chemical reaction is slow, whereas calcium carbonate when reacts with concentrated hydrochloric acid, at that time rate of chemical reaction is rapid one, is high one. Means if concentration of reactant increases, rate of chemical reaction is also increases. Later on, fourth factor is temperature of reaction. You know that when decomposition of calcium carbonate takes place, at that time as temperature increases, rate of decomposition is also increases. If temperature decreases, rate of chemical reaction is also decreases. Here consider example of wet cloths. If temperature increases, drying of wet cloth takes place rapidly. Whereas if temperature decreases, drying of wet cloths takes place very slowly. Later on, fifth factor is catalyst. Catalyst is a substance. Due to its mere presence, rate of chemical reaction increases. But there is no change in nature of that catalyst. As example, when potassium chlorate, that is KClO3, is heated, due to cause of heat, its decomposition takes place to give potassium chloride KCl with evolution of oxygen. If this reaction is completed in absence of catalyst, rate of reaction is very slow. But this reaction, when completed in presence of manganese dioxide MnO, rate of chemical reaction is increases, because here manganese dioxide is acts as a catalyst, means to increase rate of some chemical reactions, catalysts are used. So these are 5 factors on which rate of chemical reaction depends.